are going to love the 2014 Chrysler 300. The Chrysler 300 combines sport and luxury in one unique and powerful package. If you're looking for elegance and performance, the 300 delivers. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, floor mats, keyless start, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, climate control, MP3 player. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.